Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. Yeah, MATIC continues to be still in this ascending, broadening wedge pattern potentially. Ideally, I'd like to see one more high that reaches $1.10 plus to provide or to achieve a healthy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, a 5-wave move up off the October lows. Because then we can add a support area to the chart afterwards, yeah, similar to this one, but a little bit more reliable, given that by then the market would have given us some confirmation that indeed a lasting low has been established, because we need 5 waves up to understand that the trend is up. I mean, the trend is up, but on a relevant time frame and in terms of Elliott wave patterns, okay, because then we have a very clear pattern that we can work with. 5 waves up give us an initial leading diagonal. In this case, we would call that a wave 1, and then the wave 2 pullback afterwards will provide, let's say, the jump off point for a 3rd wave rally afterwards. Now the question is, how does this 5th wave unfold? First of all, we need to understand our support, which still stands firm at 64-65 cents. Absolutely no change, so that still stands very firm. I would like to avoid to get there actually, because the market at the moment already showed us quite a deep wave 4. I mean, an ideal wave 4, I would even say. Yeah, it's a healthy wave 4, and we're already starting to move up. Yeah, we haven't taken out the previous high, that would be ideal, but we're on a good way higher, and we're holding the ascending trend line of this ascending wedge pattern. So one more high would be ideal to just form that 5-wave move up. If we don't get those 5 waves, things are going to stay very unclear. Even at the moment, probabilities are not very clear, given that the chart is not yet in a 5-wave, or has not completed a 5-wave pattern. It's basically the first 5-wave pattern, the first really bullish pattern after the September lows actually, yeah. So to really get a good understanding that the prices form the low there, we need those 5 waves. And because it's a diagonal pattern, these subwaves are corrective, so we have to prepare for frequent wave count changes. At the moment, we can observe that there were, off the low that was made here on Monday, the 27th of November, we've seen 3 waves up. That's fine, but not enough to make a new high, so not enough for that 5th wave. We've seen 3 waves down. Fine, you know, that could be an A wave up, a B wave down, but what is this? Now, that's not convincing yet. A lot of overlapping price action. Surely, you know, remember the next move up would be a C wave, could be an impulse. Yep, this could be a 1-2-1-2 setup. That would be a very speculative and bullish perspective. I would need further evidence for that, to be honest. Yeah. So I would rather say there are different possibilities. It could be, surely, that now, as a 1-2 setup, an uptrend starts, 3rd wave, 4th wave, 5th wave of a larger 3rd, then another 4, 5. There you go, arrived at the target. Yeah, but it is also possible, and that's due to the overlapping price action here, that yeah, this was just the A wave of circle wave B. This here is just a B wave of circle wave B, and we get one more low here before circle wave B finishes. There's just something we have to prepare for as well. That wouldn't be ideal, but it might happen, you know, especially in a correction. Sometimes they turn around at an instant. It wouldn't invalidate anything. It would just make or give us a reset of this wave B. To be fair, I'm not even convinced that this circle wave B has bottomed. I need to see a break above the 94.7 cent level to confirm that. Until then, this circle wave B can take various shapes. Yeah? There are triangles that are possible, you know, WXY structures, more complex corrections. So we have to have a little bit of patience. The next breakout point is at 94.7 cents, and then here the wave 3 high at around 98.6 cents. And important that MATIC is holding the 64 cent level, or the white wave structure will gain control, which can send us into the region around 40 to 50 cents. Not what I primarily look for at the moment, as long as we are above support, but obviously something that is still a risk. Okay, so all I can do really is highlight the risk, but that will only become a very real risk below 64 cents. So yeah, not too much to add, but hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.